Artificial intelligence is transforming the world, from self-driving cars to chatbots and powerful automation tools. But how do you get started with AI programming from absolute zero? In this guide, we'll break it all down step by step. So by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to becoming an AI developer, even if you have no prior experience. Part 1. Understanding AI, what it is and why it matters. Before jumping into coding, let's first understand what AI actually is. AI, or artificial intelligence, is a branch of computer science that enables machines to mimic human intelligence. It powers applications like facial recognition, recommendation systems on Netflix, and even chatbots like ChatGPT. But AI is more than just automation. It can learn from data, recognize patterns, and even make decisions. This is what makes AI programming so exciting. Key AI fields. Machine learning, ML. Machines learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, DL. Neural networks inspired by the human brain power advanced AI models. Natural language processing, NLP. AI that understands and processes human language, like ChatGPT. Computer vision. AI that interprets and analyzes visual data, like self-driving car vision systems. So how do you start learning AI programming? Let's begin with the most important foundation, coding. Part 2. Learning to code, the first step in AI. The first thing you need to learn for AI programming is coding. The best language to start with is Python. It's beginner-friendly, widely used in AI, and has tons of libraries for machine learning. Step 1. Learn Python basics. Install Python from Python.org. Learn basic concepts, variables, loops, functions, and data structures. Use beginner-friendly platforms like Codecademy, Coursera, or Kaggle. Practice project idea. Create a simple Python script that takes user input and responds with a basic answer. This will help you understand programming logic. Part 3. Introduction to Machine Learning, ML. Once you have a basic grasp of Python, it's time to step into the world of machine learning. ML is the core of AI. It allows systems to learn from data and make predictions without explicit programming. Step 2. Learn key ML concepts. Supervised versus unsupervised learning. Training a model with labeled data. Understanding AI algorithms, linear regression, decision trees, neural networks. Great learning resources. Google's Machine Learning Crash Course. Andrew Ng's Machine Learning course on Coursera. Practice project idea. Build a simple ML model that predicts house prices based on historical data using scikit-learn. Part 4. Hands-on AI, libraries and tools. AI programming relies on powerful libraries that simplify coding. Here are the most important ones you need to know. Step 3. Learn AI libraries. NumPy and Pandas for handling large data sets. Scikit-learn for basic machine learning models. TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning and neural networks. OpenCV for computer vision. Practice project idea. Use TensorFlow to create a simple AI model that classifies images of cats versus dogs. Part 5. Building your first AI project. Now that you've got the basics, it's time to build your first AI project. One of the best beginner projects is an AI chatbot. Step 4. Build an AI chatbot. Use NLTK or spaCy to process text. Train a simple chatbot with predefined responses. Expand it by connecting it to an AI language model like GPT. Practice project idea. Train a chatbot to answer frequently asked questions for a website or online business. Part 6. Advancing your AI skills. Once you're comfortable with basic AI programming, here's how to take your skills to the next level. Learn neural networks. Dive deeper into deep learning with PyTorch. Explore AI specializations, computer vision, NLP, robotics. Contribute to open source AI projects. Join GitHub communities and collaborate. Build a portfolio, create AI projects and showcase them on LinkedIn, GitHub, or your website. Practice project idea. Build an AI-powered content generator that creates blog posts or marketing copy using GPT-4. Part 7. Making money with AI skills. Did you know you can turn AI programming into a profitable career? Here are some ways to monetize your skills. Freelance AI development. Offer AI-based services on Upwork or Fiverr. Build and sell AI tools. Create AI chatbots, voice assistants, or automated trading bots. Develop AI SaaS products. Launch your own AI-powered software. AI content creation. Use AI to generate videos, animations, or music for YouTube. AI is a rapidly growing industry, and now is the best time to get involved. Conclusion and final thoughts. And that's your complete guide to learning AI programming from scratch. Start with Python. Learn machine learning fundamentals. Master AI libraries and tools. Build your first AI projects. Advance your AI skills. Monetize your knowledge. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Drop a comment if you want a deep dive into any AI topic.